Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex and welcome to episode number 164 of me slowly losing my mind. In today's video, I will be covering the absolute clown known as Johnny Somali. And if you don't know who that is, oh how I envy you. Ramsey Khalid Ismail, or Johnny Somali as he is known online, is a 23-year-old streamer who became infamous due to his concerning escapades while visiting other countries. To say that he is a disturbed individual may be an understatement. He first rose to infamy in 2023 when he visited Japan during the summer. While in Japan, he made very gross remarks regarding the events that happened in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He then went to Tokyo Disney where he played a song that contained lyrics referencing what kind of event happened in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After Johnny Somali made these remarks, some residents in Japan decided to rough him up and call him some not very nice names in response. He then decided, for whatever reason, to go into a construction site in Japan where he was later charged since he went onto that site without any permission. Later, in 2023, he once again found himself in trouble for playing loud music in a restaurant. He appeared in the Osaka District Court where the charge regarding the construction site was dropped. However, he admitted to lying to the judge, saying that he made no money off his videos. A 200,000 yen fine, equal to roughly 1,747 Canadian dollars, was issued. In March of this year, Johnny Somali began trolling Zoom calls, with the calls often involving Japanese people. Now that the explanation is out of the way, I want to give my thoughts on the situation. I said this in a comment on a Sensitive Society video covering this dude, but I would like to say it again. I refuse to believe that this clown is 23 years old. I'm 21, and I have seen 2-year-old babies act better than this grown man does. When you go to another country, be it Italy, Poland, Sweden, the Czech Republic, Nigeria, Egypt, or Japan in this case, you respect the culture and rules and regulations of the country that you are visiting, because that is what a mature person does. It happened with Logan Paul when he went to Japan and looked like a moron because he was disrespectful, and now it's happening again with this Johnny Somali fellow and how he acted disgracefully in Japan. Most of his awful content is going after Japanese people. Why does he have such an issue with Japan? I will never understand what causes some content creators to go out, make a huge mess, and think that there will be no consequences for acting like a toddler who ate too much candy, then wash that candy down with 10 cans of pop. This person is also a part of my generation, and that makes the rest of the normal members of Gen Z look bad, but I already did that ramble ages ago. In my 2.1 decades of existence, I have seen a few unhinged individuals online, like Jalen, Femios, who told me to go into a wood chipper, but that is a video for another day, and more. But I think this may be one of the biggest face palms that I have ever seen, for the time being anyway. Before I leave you this fine morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you may be watching this video, I would like to present a fun fact. This past Monday, May 20th, was Victoria Day in Canada, which is a long weekend holiday named after Queen Victoria, who was the reigning monarch at the time. The holiday used to be on Victoria's actual birthday, which was May 24th, 1819, but over time the date has shifted. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part of myself I'm missing.